Nest Wealth Manage Portfolios Pricing explained what you get for your money. Nest Wealth is a Canadian digital investment service that offers fully managed portfolios with a focus on cost efficiency and personalized advice. Many assume managed portfolios come with high fees, but Nest Wealth has a transparent and unique pricing structure. Instead of a percentage-based fee, Nest Wealth charges a flat monthly fee starting at for portfolios up to $0. This includes portfolio management, automatic rebalancing and ongoing advice. For larger portfolios, the fee increases incrementally, but it remains competitive compared to traditional advisors. For example, a $0 account would cost only per month, covering all services. Nest Wealth builds diversified portfolios using ETFs across global equities, bonds and alternative asset classes. Portfolios are tailored to your risk profile, and rebalancing happens automatically to maintain your target allocation. The platform also provides reporting, performance tracking, and goal-setting tools. The surprising truth is that for a fixed, modest monthly fee, investors gain access to professionally managed, diversified portfolios with the flexibility to scale as their assets grow. Most people underestimate how cost-effective flat-fee models can be compared to percentage-based fees. In conclusion, Nest Wealth Managed Portfolios pricing is transparent, predictable, and designed for investors seeking professional management without high costs. Understanding fees and portfolio features ensures you maximize long-term returns efficiently.